So I'm really happy to be here at AMTZ. A wonderful experience today. Something like a dream which I couldn't imagine can happen in a center such large, led by very able and competent people, led by a team with Jitendra here. In such a short period of time, it has helped India improve reduce its dependence on imports of medical equipment, become an exporter, possibly become import neutral in a few years from now. A set of most comprehensive facilities cutting across the entire supply ecosystem of medtech, continuous inflow of investments into the place, world-class standards, covering not just advanced companies which are already in the field, but also creating jobs, employment for the locals, for people around here in this area, training people, coming up with a world-class university. I think the scope of this to become medtech production for the world is just around the corner. And I wish all of you best of luck. Thank you.